Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Salma Fadila. I'm from Istanbul guys, and in this video I will to tell about how to make cimol. Materials and tools used are spoon, starch, ladaku, raiko, pen, salt, Mrs. garlic, glass, and water. Step by step. Add 100 milliliter of water and 4 cloves of onion and 1 tablespoon of flour. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it boils. Then put in a spoonful of flour and as much as 7. And also put in what was made. Stir well. Add the raiko, ladaku, and salt to taste. Wash your hand and stir using your hand. Provide a sprinkling container with a little flour. Dough print. Cook on medium heat.